All right. If you want to speak, do Alt Y. Okay, put up your hand. If you're in my class, you must put up your hand. Okay. Cameras on, everybody. Abdul Bajid. No genie. Yeah. Don't worry, I'm not going to record you if you don't talk. If you don't talk, then I'm not recording you. Okay. All right. So Abdulaziz. Start here.
Skill 51.
Okay.
Use ed and ing adjectives correctly.
Yeah. Now, is there anyone from 53 here? Section 53? Oh, Yazid. So Yazid probably knows exactly what we're doing because we studied the grammar reference today. This is at the end of Unit 1 grammar reference. It's the last section of the Unit 1 grammar reference. Okay. So, Abdulaziz, do you know what that means? And what is an ED adjective or ING adjective? Can you guess? Can you guess?
Yeah, the difference.
Well, how do you make it? How do you make the adjective with ED or ING?
Plus ed to the end or ing.
That's right. That's right. So basically, take a look at this and take a look at this. Do a screenshot, you guys. Take a screenshot here. Okay. Can you read that, Abdulaziz? ED adjective?
Ed adjective, verb 3 adjective.
Yeah,
Passive
same
adjective.
thing. If it's an ED adjective, then it's a verb 3 adjective. And this is passive. It's a passive adjective. Okay. All right. And then what about the other? Look at the other note. Can you read that one too?
ing adjective, verb 4 adjective, active adjective.
There you go. You got it. Okay. All right. So now let's take a look. Mustafa, can you read?
Verb form ending ed and ing can be used as adjectives.
Yep. Verb 3 or verb forms ending with ed or ending with ing can be used as an adjective. Huh? What does that mean? Used as an adjective. Do you know what that means? Used as an adjective?
Part of speak.
Well, what does an adjective do, you guys? What does it do?
Describe
the nouns.
Exactly. It describes a noun. Adjective describes a noun. So sometimes we take a verb, then we add ing, and we take it to describe a noun. Or a verb plus ed, then we also can describe a noun with this. But there's a difference. There is a difference between ed and ing adjectives. Okay? All right. So let's read the examples. Ayed, start. The first.
The woman cleans the car.
What do you see here? What is this?
Verb.
It is a verb, right? Clean, yes. The verb with an S. Okay, Hassan, read that.
Okay. The woman puts the cleaned car back in the garage.
You skipped. You skipped.
Wait. Oh, yes. Okay. The cleaning woman worked on the car.
Okay. The cleaning woman worked on the car. Now, gentlemen, can you find the verb in this example? Where is the verb in this sentence? Find the verb.
Worked.
Worked on.
Yeah. Here's the verb. Right? What about cleaning? Cleaning.
Adjective.
Adjective.
Okay. So cleaning is not a verb. Worked. I'm going to put 2 lines for the verb, okay? All right. Up here, the verb is clean with an S. Okay. But here, cleaning, it is not a verb. You understand? It is not a verb. Here, in this example, it's an adjective. Why is it an adjective? Why?
Because it refers to woman. It refers to woman.
Right.
Describes the woman, refers
Yes,
to the woman.
describe.
Okay. All right.
Yes.
So Hassan, can you read the 3rd example?
The woman put the clean car back in the car.
Where is the verb?
Put.
Yeah. Here's the verb. Okay. Here is the verb. Now, what about this? Cleaned.
Adjective.
Oh, it is an adjective. And
Adjective.
why is this? Why is this an adjective? Huh? Why? What's the reason?
The ED.
It describes the car. Yeah? This describes the woman. Yeah? Yeah? So here's my question. Why do we put ing here, but here we put ed? Does anyone have the answer?
Yes.
Yazid,
Mr.
Yazid, you have the answer, right?
Yes.
Yes.
Yazid, you have the answer, right?
Right.
Tell us. Why do we put ing here, but on this one we put an ed?
ing because the woman does the clean.
Yes. She does the cleaning. In other words, the agent. We call her the agent, okay? Woman here is the agent of this adjective. She does it. You understand?
Yeah.
All right. Yazid, what about this?
And the other example, because clean car, it is not agent. There is
Exactly.
something make clean it.
In this example, the car is not the agent. The car is not the agent. The car doesn't do the action. The car receives the action. You understand?
Yes.
Yeah. Yes.
The car receives the action. Okay. What about here? The woman, what does she do? She's the agent. So what does she do? The woman
Did the
does
Did the action.
the action.
Does the.
Do you understand?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Yeah.
So take a screenshot there, guys. Do a screenshot. Okay. Now, let's see. Hermes. We've got 2 examples down here. You see? Read this.
Yeah. The cleaning car.
The cleaning car. What's the problem with the cleaning car?
ing.
Yes. Why
is it a special case?
No. Think about it. What does it mean when you say the cleaning car? Hedgie. Abdulaziz Hedgie. What does it mean?
That means the car doing the verb. It cannot be.
Can the car do the cleaning? Huh?
Of course not.
No.
No way. The car can't do the cleaning. Do you understand? Okay.
Yeah.
Hey, Metham.
Yes, mister.
Yeah. If you don't want to be on the recording, then you keep your microphone off, but you must join with the video, okay? Video on. No jinnies in my class.
Inshallah.
All right. So now, Ayed, read the second example.
The cleaned woman.
Why is there a little star? Do you understand? You know why? Why is there a star here? The cleaned woman. What does it mean? The cleaned woman. What does that mean?
Maybe he received the cleaning from other person.
Yeah,
Other people.
somebody cleaned her.
Yes.
Do you understand?
Yes.
The cleaned woman. Now, I suppose you could say instead of woman, maybe you could say patient, like at the hospital, right? Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah. But normally you don't say the cleaned woman. You could say the cleaned baby.
Yeah.
The washed baby. Yeah. You could say that, the washed baby. But we wouldn't say the cleaned woman. Do you understand? Okay. All right. So next page, gentlemen. Hermes. Read here.
Okay.
What do you see?
ED and ING adjectives. Type.
Yeah. What's the first type? The first kind?
ING.
And?
Active. Meaning.
What is
meaning?
Why does it say meaning is active? Why is it active? Why is this active? Because the reason is because
Noun is a noun.
read it.
Do
Read
that.
it. Yeah?
It does the action of the verb.
Yes. Okay. Saleh, example.
The happily playing children. The
Yes.
children play.
You see, if you say the happily playing children, that means that the children
Playing.
do the action. Understand? Children play. All right. Abdulaziz Heji, what's the second type, the second kind?
Edita. It's
And what does it mean?
Passive. Passive.
It is passive. Mohana, what does that mean? If it's passive, what does that mean?
It's received the action.
Yep. It receives the action of the verb. Yazid. Hey, Yazid, do this, the example.
The frequently played record.
Yeah, do you know
Someone
what that
plays.
Yeah, do you know what that is? Do you know what the meaning of record? Do you know what that is? No?
It's
I bet none of you know what a record is, do you?
I know.
Like a list.
It's
maybe.
it's not a list. It's something you accomplished. How much you accomplished. Oh, this one.
This is called a record, gentlemen. That's called a record.
All the CDs.
Old CD, yeah. Old school CD. Big old school CD. They're like about this big, right? Bigger than my head. And I have a big head. Okay. All right. So why is it ED? Huh? Why is that ED?
Record the
It is not doing the action.
Yes, the record can't do the action. You got it? All right. Okay. So Abdulaziz Al-Hedji.
Circle
How do we do this?
Circle the verbal adjectives Draw arrows. The word they describe indicate correct C or incorrect I.
Right. Abdul Majid. Number one. Don't read it. Just tell me why this is wrong. What's the problem? You're muted. Yeah. You're still muted. Can't hear you.
Yes, I'm not speaking.
Oh, then don't put up your hand. You put up your hand. So I said,
Oh,
if
okay.
you put up your hand, then I'm going to ask you to talk. Everybody, put
I
up your
forgot to hide
hands,
mine.
guys. If you want to talk, put up your hand. Your hand is up again, Abdul Majid.
Okay, sorry.
It's still up, Abdul Majid. Alt Y will put your hand down. Okay. All right, Abdulaziz. Can you explain number one?
Yes, it's incorrect.
And tell us why.
Because it should be ED, completed lesson, because the teacher did it.
Bingo. This is the answer. We don't we don't know if the teacher did it. That's not the key. The key is the lesson. Did the lesson do the action?
No.
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 Somebody did it, not the lesson. Do you understand?
Teacher.
So
Yes.
what should it be, gentlemen? What should it be?
Completed.
Should be completed, right? Just
Yes.
completed. Completed. The completed lesson. Do you understand? Yeah?
Yeah.
All right.
Yes.
Mustafa, why do I put ing in the second one? What's the reason? Why do I add ing?
Because the movie is fascinating.
Yeah. Do you guys know the meaning of fascinating? Do you know that meaning? Fascinating.
Yes.
What does it
Very
mean?
exciting.
Amazing.
Impressive. Or
Amazing.
something like
Well,
that.
I
Or
wouldn't
amazing.
say exciting. I would say it just
Very
means
interested.
very interesting. That's what it means. Okay. All right, gentlemen, let's do this exercise. Let's go. Yalla. You got 3 minutes.
Three minutes. Two minutes. One minute, 45 seconds. One minute, 30 seconds. One minute, 15 seconds. 1 minute. Forty-five seconds. Thirty seconds. Fifteen seconds. Time is up.
All right, gentlemen, let's do this. Don't read the sentence. Don't read it. I just want you to tell me the adjective. And then, well, first, you know what? First, tell me if it's correct or incorrect.
I think it's incorrect.
Okay. Now tell me the adjective.
Satisfied.
All right. And if I make an arrow to the noun, which noun does it describe?
Dinner.
Correct. So I'm just going to do it like this, guys. You see? Dinner. I'll put it up here above it. Okay. Dinner. All right. So what's the problem? What's the problem with that?
It should be satisfying.
Exactly. Should be satisfying. Satisfying is the correct answer. Why? Why should I change it to satisfying?
Because the dinner, it does the satisfy.
Exactly. By the way, what is the meaning of? Does anybody know the meaning of satisfy?
Yes.
Pleased or
satisfy.
Not really.
Satisfy.
Make them like accept. Acceptable.
Make somebody happy.
Yes.
That's what it means. Okay. So the dinner makes you happy. Understand? All right. Hussein, how about number 4?
Incorrect.
Incorrect. Where is the adjective? Find the adjective.
Finding. Filling.
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 Okay. And what does it describe? What does it describe?
The bottles.
Describes the bottles. Okay. And why is this incorrect? What's the problem here?
It's supposed to be AD because the bottle doesn't do the action.
Right. So it should be filled.
Yeah,
correct.
So.
Yeah, the bottles can't do the action. Good. Saleh, next one.
Next, it's correct.
Correct? Why?
Yes.
Why do you think that's correct?
Because the salad was mixed.
Okay.
And it didn't do the action.
Yeah, and we're describing the salad, right? Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah, it is correct. Well done. Abdulaziz Al-Hedji.
Yes, I think it's correct.
You think it's correct?
Yeah.
Let's see. Correct. Where is the adjective?
Interesting assignments.
Yeah. And what does it describe? What does it describe? Describes
the assignments.
Describes the assignment. Yes.
Yeah.
Yes. Because the assignment makes the student interested. Understand? All right, Mahana. Your turn. Mahana?
Yes,
7.
I think correct.
Correct. Why is it correct? Where's the adjective?
First.
We actually have 2 adjectives. That's one. All right. What does it describe?
Present isn't a verb.
Well, it's both. That's the thing, is sometimes it's both. Sometimes it is both part of the verb and sometimes an adjective. So here it's both. Where is the next adjective? Anybody?
Reduce. Okay.
Yeah. And what does this one describe? What does it describe?
Price.
Huh?
Price.
Yep. Describes the prices. Okay. So you just lost marks on TOEFL. Do you know why?
Because it's incorrect.
Because it is incorrect. Why? Why is this incorrect? Huh?
Can I explain?
Yes, Hussein. Explain it, please.
The first one, impressed. The shoppers are doing the verb. They are they are doing the thing. They are the agent. So it should be impressing. And the second one, by the reduced price, because they didn't reduce the price. The owner reduced the prices.
Okay, your explanation is just 50% correct, and you lose marks on TOEFL because the first one is correct. The second one is incorrect. So the second one should be reduced. Okay, the prices cannot do the action. Okay, but when you say the shoppers were impressed, that means the low prices, that's the agent, the low prices.
Oh.
Right? That's the agent. So the shoppers, they see the low prices and they're like, wow. So the low prices make the shoppers impressed. Do you understand?
Yes.
Yeah. So this is actually correct here. All right. The problem, though, is the second one. Okay. All right, Yazid, try number 8. What do you think? Is it correct? Yazid, I think he's frozen. Okay. Abdul Majid, your hand is up again. Are you trying to talk?
Yes, right now. Yes.
All right.
I think it's incorrect.
Why is it incorrect?
Because
and where should I put the adjective also? Where is the adjective?
Okay. Long, I think. The first adjective.
Well, let's just use these verbal adjectives, okay? That means either ed or ing. Ed or ing. Find the ed or ing. Can you see it?
Ed or ing. Yes. Worked.
Okay. Is there a problem? You see a problem?
Yes.
Man, right?
Yep.
Why is this a problem?
It doesn't. I'm not sure, but it doesn't make
it doesn't
the
sound
action.
right.
Yes, it.
The reason is because the man is the agent. The man is doing the work. Do you understand?
Yes.
Should be ing. The man does the work. Okay. All right. Blue hands up, guys. Alt Y, everybody. All right, Mustafa, number 9. What do you think?
Incorrect.
Incorrect. Why is this incorrect? What's the reason?
Because a noun phone.
Okay. Annoying. Yeah. Do you guys know that word? Annoying?
Yes. It's like
what does it mean?
Like bother.
Exactly. And what does it describe, or what does it refer to? What does it refer to? What does it describe? refers to not phone, refers to
The
the phone
messenger.
calls.
Call.
Right? Refers to the phone calls. Okay. So is this, you said this is incorrect?
Yeah.
Sorry, you lose marks, Mustafa, on the TOEFL. Why do you lose marks?
Why? Does it do the verb?
Yes. Think about that, Mustafa. If someone calls you and calls you and calls you, they want to sell something, right? They call and call and call and call. Mustafa, they call again and again and again and again. How do you feel? Annoyed.
Yes.
You feel annoyed.
Oh, yes, I see now.
Yeah. So the calls, the phone calls are annoying. You understand?
Yeah, yeah.
Got it?
And
Okay.
me annoyed.
Yes.
Annoyed
You are
Mustafa.
annoyed. The phone calls are annoying. So question number 9, guys, it is correct. Yazid, do the last one for us. Today. You're muted.
So today the mute bookkeeper
Is it correct?
working. Incorrect.
Correct? Huh?
No, incorrect.
In. Why? Where's the problem? Tell us the problem. Well, first, give us the adjective. Can you find the adjective?
Unpaying.
Yep. Here's the adjective. And do you know this word, bills? Do you know the word bills?
Yeah.
Yes.
Like when you go to a restaurant and you eat, then after the dinner, you get the bill, right? That's the money you pay for the dinner, right? On the bill, okay? So why does it say unpaying? What should it be? What should it be instead of unpaying? Anybody know this one?
Unpaid. Bills.
Unpaid.
Paid.
There
There you go. It should be verb 3. Gentlemen, take a screenshot. You got it?
Yes.
Okay. Guys, that's all for today. All right.
Goodbye.
Now, wait. Let me just remind you. Hold on. I'll stop recording.